Going to unboxing M1 smartwatch. This smartwatch price is below 500. I bought this one from Amazon. First I am showing how can charging this watch. Place the watch like this position. Next I am introducing its settings. It have one touch switch. One touch on switch. We can move its icons. Long touch for use. Open and close options. How can connect this smartwatch to our smartphone? Long press to its more icon and find its barcode. Next, take your smartphone and open its barcode scanner. Now, it automatically go to browser and we get M1 smartwatch application. Give permission to smartwatch app. Next select this option. Connect your smartphone into smartwatch. Next I am going to checking my heart rate. You can see its result on our smartphone. Next I am going to take a photo in mobile by using smartwatch. We can connect its strap-on smartwatch like this. I don't like this watch because it have poor quality, but in this price range it is good.